Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Electra Glide Ultra Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 30,151 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint scuffs on the saddlebags, wearing scuffs on the side cover, and scratches on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, 2 keys, and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with ABS, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, heated seats, heated grips, and cruise control. It's been upgraded with a saddleman seat, an aftermarket exhaust, meat hook handlebars, mid-frame heat deflectors, a tinted windshield, and chrome fairing vent trim. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.